Dear students, we were doing chapter 4th of Vistas, the enemy. So far, we have completed how the enemy soldier became all right after the treatment by the Dr. Sadao. And now Sadao actually is sending him in a boat to an island so that he could reach over there safe by putting everything in the boat, his food, water, clothes, and everything. Because Dr. Sadao, who saved his life, also didn't want to kill him, but to save his family from trouble and not to be proved a traitor. Actually, he had informed the highest authority of the country, General Takima. And General, he was totally a selfish person. And he didn't send Dr. Sadao with the troops. Why? Because of his own selfish purpose. He needed operation at any time. So all these things we had gone through. Now page number 44, and in the middle from here, the servants will come back as soon as the foreigner is gone, Sadao said. Sadao told his wife that all the servants, they will come back when this foreigner, that is American soldier, leaves the house. He went into the guest room that night before he went to bed himself and checked carefully the American's temperature. He checked the temperature of that American soldier, the state of the wound, and his heart and pulse. He checked everything. The pulse was irregular, but that was perhaps because of the excitement. The young man's pale lips were pressed together and his eyes burned. There was burning in his eyes. Only the scars on his neck were red. I realize you are saving my life again. When he was checking the enemy soldier, then what did he say? I realize you are saving my life again. These are the words he spoke. He told Sadao, no at all. Sadao को उसने जब बताया तो सदाऊ ने कहा no, not at all. Sadao said, it is only inconvenient to have you here any longer. उसने कहा तुम्हें घर में रखना हमारे लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा inconvenient है. He had hesitated a good deal. He had hesitated a good deal about saving the man a flashlight, but about giving the man a flashlight, but he had decided to give it to him. After all, it was a small one. Flashlight जो है उसने उसको देना चाहा क्योंकि अंधेरे में जब वो जाएगा बूट में तो that was required also. His own which he used at night when he was called. जब कभी उसको बुलाया जाता था तो नाइट में उसका यूज़ करता था. If your food runs out, उसने डॉक्टर सदाऊ ने उसको सभी बात बताई कि अगर मान लीजिए उसका खाना जो है रन्स आउट ख़त्म हो जाता है जो बोट में उसने रखा, बिफोर यू कैच द बोट, क्योंकि उसको बोट पकड़ने से पहले उस आइलैंड से, ही सेड सिग्नल मी 2 फ्लैशेस. अगर खाना उसका ख़त्म हो जाता है फूड तो वो 2 सिग्नल देगा. सिग्नल 2 फ्लैशेस, जो फ्लैश उसने फ्लैश लाइट उसको दी. एट द सेम इंस्टेंट, उसी मोमेंट, द सन ड्रॉप्स ओवर द हॉराइजन. जब सूरज जो है, ड्रॉप्स मीन्स फॉल्स ओवर द हॉराइजन, जो क्षितिज, वहाँ पर अगर सूरज जब छिपता है, डू नॉट सिग्नल इन डार्कनेस. तो उसने बताया इस फ्लैश लाइट से डार्कनेस में, अंधेरे में सिग्नल मत देना, और इट विल बी सीन, क्योंकि वहाँ से फिर दिखाई दे जाएगा. इफ़ यू आर ऑल राइट, बट स्टिल देयर, अगर तुम बिल्कुल सही हो, स्टिल देयर, सिग्नल मी बंस, तो केवल एक ही बार सिग्नल देना तो मैं समझ लूँगा यू आर ऑल राइट। उसको बता रहा है एनिमी सोल्जर उसको, यू विल फाइंड फ्रेश फिश ईजी टू कैच बट यू मस्ट ईट देम रॉ। उसने कहा कि वहाँ अगर मान लीजिए खाना ख़त्म भी होता है तो फ्रेश फिश भी समुद्र में मिल जाएंगी, लेकिन उनको बट यू मस्ट ईट देम रॉ, उनको कच्चा खाने के लिए बताया। ये फायर वुड बी सीन, क्योंकि अगर तुमने उसको पकाया, अगर जरा भी आग जली तो उसका लाइट चारों तरफ जाएगी और उससे पता लग जाएगा। ओके, द यंग मैन ब्रीथ, यंग मीन सोल्जर, उसने सब बात को समझ लिया और फिर उसने जो है he felt satisfied. I think you must understand.